What's the favorite part of your job?
I think the people.
Employees.
Being around other employees. A brief run-through of the process. We will bring apples in roughly 800-pound crates. We'll submerge them into a dump tank. They'll get conveyed across brush rollers to hopefully remove any extra leaves, sticks from the apples. They'll drop into another sanitary bath, at which point they'll be picked up by slicing machinery. They'll be oriented straight up and down, moved down a conveyor line, and then picked up and placed onto a blade set. They'll be pushed through by a plunger. 12 segments will drop off of apples. They'll be sanitized one more time before they get in front of graders. The graders will look for any skin defects or internal defects, remove them from the line. They'll be hit with the antioxidant solution, at which point they'll be dried off and then conveyed to our vertical form fill and seal baggers. In our vertical form fill and seal baggers, we do anything from a 2-ounce to a 5-pound package, which is then metal detected and moved to our packaging room, and then we package the finished bags.
President and CEO. I intend to continue to grow a strong company. I would say just growth of the company. In general, I have a belief that if companies don't continue to grow, that they will eventually die. So,
Production manager. The production room is probably done with the expansion. We're almost out of space. We do have room in the packaging room right now. We'd like to get a little more automation in there. My personal goals for that is to make sure that we do our due diligence in planning the install and machinery to make sure that we get a very efficient finished product and also meet our return on investment timelines.
Customer relations. My personal goals are to expand the sales and expand the marketing. I also hope to maybe get more involved in some management roles in the company, but ultimately it is to be able to sell more product.